Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. I'm just jumping on really quickly to announce the winner of my Black Friday giveaway. So I was able to get back to my iPad, so when we do the selection here from the random comment picker, you will be able to see the whole screen. Of course, putting in the URL to start, going to filter out any duplicate users because that is basically how this giveaway was set up. We're going to get the number of comments off of the video, and that is 292. Let's go down to the big start button, watch some of the names fly by, and the winner is Michelle Richardson. Congratulations, Michelle. Her comment was, I love pastels, any shades of pinks and blues from light to turquoise. I can't crochet on really dark colors. Thanks for doing this giveaway. So let's go into my yarn room. I do see that I do have some pinks and pastels here. I usually do have a little darker of colors, but I think I'll be able to find something here for Michelle. So what I picked out was the Lion Brands yarn Scarfie, the Premier Yarns Bloom, Bernat Softy Baby in blue, pink. I love this yarn. And then, like I said, I was going to do 5 skeins of yarn, but I didn't really want to break or even open up this pack of the soft essentials. So I'll just send all 3 of those to you, Michelle. And if you have any allergies, please let me know. I know the Scarfie yarn has a little bit of wool in it. So if you'd let me know if that won't work for you, or if you know some of these, you just don't like that yarn, I can go back to my stash and see if I can come up with another one. Thank you, everyone, for entering this giveaway. This was kind of a fun one for me, and I appreciate all the support that you've given. Michelle, if you would send me your mailing address to epicyarns@gmail.com, I would appreciate it, and I will get your yarn out to you very soon. Again, thank you, everyone. Watch for a video tomorrow on a new stitch, the brainwave stitch. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Stay safe out there and take care.